Hi, this is Santosh from How To. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to change the case and also about type tool in the Adobe Illustrator. This works on all the versions of Illustrators. I will be adding more videos on Illustrator and all graphic design application videos and more shortcuts soon so that it will help you to learn. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel and do not miss any of my videos. Thank you. If you haven't created any new artboard, you have to go to file, select new and then select the paper size and click OK so that you will see new artboard. So now if you want to use text tool, you can either enter in the keyboard. The shortcut for text tool is T. You can double click on the artboard. Okay. I have just texted graphic design. See, if you want to change the case, you have to select the text and then go to type menu. Under type menu, you have to go to change case. Then you can select uppercase so that all the letters will become capitalized. So in the same way, if you want to change the case to the lowercase, you can select lowercase like this. And if you want to select title case, there are 4 options in the change case. You can select like that. Okay. And this applies for all the versions of Illustrator. And if you want to change the case using shortcut keys, the shortcut for this is Alt T C U. The text becomes capitalized. All the characters, all the letters will go uppercase. And the type tool, if you continue to click on type tool, it will list you the different type options like type tool, area type tool, type on path tool, vertical type tool, vertical area type tool, vertical type on a path tool, dust type tool. There are so many options in the type tool. This I will explain in the coming videos. Thank you. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel and do not miss any of my videos. Thank you.